Let's try the OpenWeather API. I want to get the weather forecast for Chicago all via the API. And here's the API endpoint that gets that weather data. We need two things: an API key and latitude and longitude. Sign in at openweathermap.org, go to billing plans, and subscribe to the One Call API 3.0 plan, which is free up to 1,000 calls a day. Go to API keys, and here's your default API key. Set that API key in an environment variable like here in Postman. And now we can get our latitude and longitude. Here's a get coordinates endpoint that we can use with our API key. We set this Q query as Chicago, a limit of 1, because honestly, fingers crossed, I'm just gonna trust the first result for this, and an app ID of our API key, and send it. Here's our response payload. And here's the latitude and longitude. We'll plug those values into this original one call get weather endpoint, set that app ID as the API key, and send it. And here's the response with all of our weather info. What API should I do next?